So this is the demo for our Algoron governance project for Reach Bounty Hack by Jack Betson and myself, Thomas Bibby. So here we have our main screen with our admin screen, which is only shown to the deployer, which happens to be this account. So currently our issue is closed, so we can create an issue. So I'm going to create an issue that just needs 15 votes in total, and the percentage needs to be 60% for the issue in order for the issue to pass. So I'm just going to quickly create this issue using admin portal. So the admin's going to sign into that transaction, which is going to create our issue. Here we also have a governance token pool. So this allows users to claim their governance pool, our governance tokens, so they can then later vote. So we can add to the pool, but at the moment we have 80 tokens, so there's no need for that. So that issue has been created and it is now being set to pending. So if we go to another account to then start voting on this issue, so we're just going to connect to our first voter, sign in them. So they've got 5 tokens. So we're going to use, and then there's issue. So we're going to do 5 of those and we're going to vote against the issue on this account. So with their 5 tokens, we're just going to vote against it. And so that will send those 5 voting tokens off into the contract. Yep, so we have 5 total votes. Percentage is 0 because all of them currently have been voted against. So if we go to another voter again, and then we can see that they have currently no tokens. So we're going to claim some tokens, which is going to once again talk to the contract. Subtract 10 tokens from the pool and send it to our account. And then the tokens have been claimed. Our wallet has been updated. So we're going to do 10 votes for the issue using the 10 that we just claimed. And here we are going to vote for the issue. And so once this goes through, we can see that the current issue has been successful. So we have 15 votes, which is 10 votes here and 5 votes there. The voting percentage was 66%, which is above that 60% that we set. And so it's now all done. So this issue has been closed. We now know it's successful and no one else can vote. So I'll just give a quick overview of the app. So obviously we have our React app, which runs everything that you just saw there. We have our contract that is on our mainnet, and we use MyAlgoConnect to connect to everything. Here we initialize the voting token and the contract, and we have all of our functions that complete everything, talking to the API, all of our functions here that contact it, and our HTML for all the pages, including the admin page, which checks that they are the admin. Here we have our contract. We have our structs up the top. We use the API, which is set out as our deployer, and then here is our API. So we have all of our items that that turn into views that we can then later view, and we have our functions. So we have a create issue, verify the result, which is done by the admin, vote for and against, claim our governance token, and add governance tokens to the pool. So if we just check out one of these, go down here. So here we're checking that the amount that the admin is the admin is the one calling the contract to make sure that no one else can do any of these functions. And so yeah, we just add things. There is still definitely heaps to be done with. Yeah, still definitely, sorry, a lot that can be done. A lot of little UI changes on the React app and fixing just some minor issues, allowing multiple issues to be created and voted on at once would be great. But yeah, that's our app.